What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy JP. I'm back at it. I got another video for y'all. With this one, we're gonna be reacting to SmoothGio sneezing on people in the hood. Just by the title, it sounds crazy. I'm excited to see what's gonna happen, just for the fact that y'all know ever since that virus, people not playing around. So don't even breathe next to anybody. You feel me? They're not playing that. So let alone sneeze or even cough next to them. So I'm excited to see this in the hood. It's gonna be crazy. I know some people gonna try him, but yeah, let's get straight into it. If it's your first time tuning into the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the kid. And yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Make sure it's recording. We good. 1. Ah, 1800 block. I think that's what Kodak is from. He came in there coughing already.
Hey fam, you got these in the size 46?
46 is crazy.
Oh, for me.
Good, man.
Yeah, you good, man?
I don't got that 46. You work here?
Yeah, I work here.
Yeah, I work
Yeah, I
here.
work here, bro.
Yo, people's accents from different states be mad funny.
What the fuck? Boy, boy, yeah, I gotta go, boy. Boy, you sneezing, bitch. I seen like cloud of shit, bro. You gotta go, boy. Boy, yeah, I gotta.
Yo, I just seen the cloud of shit is crazy, bro. What?
Sneezing, bitch. I seen like cloud of shit, boy. You gotta go, boy. Boy, yeah, I gotta get on out of here, boy. Come on, bro. You gotta leave this snow, bro. You can't shot here, boy.
You can't shot here.
No, boy. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. I'm gonna call the police, bro. Go ahead, boy. I'm gonna call the police, bro. Get your ass around here, boy. Ain't right.
It's just
boy.
a virus, cuz y'all tripping. It's just a
You gotta
virus.
go, baby. You gotta go, man.
Hold on, let me just.
Look at his face. Nah,
Hey man, what's up? Don't you got corona or some shit? Bro, you sneezing and shit. Don't sneeze on me, bro. Hey man, say man, it's your boy SmoothGio. Yo, back with another video, man.
Yo,
Hold on, before the
we're
video
gonna
start, I
skip
want to say
straight to
I
it.
kind of do got a little eye booger in my eye, but y'all spare me. Y'all know I'm clean, right? In today's video, we got another hood video. Oh yeah, I'm with my boy Pompano Randy.
right here. He look like he up to no good. Y'all know what he doing. Oh.
What the fuck, man? Hey man, tighten the fuck up, man. What you mean? Call the mill, man. What y'all playing with like that, man? What? What I did? You sneezing by tighten the fuck up.
Nah, this gotta be fake. Yo, bro, fam got like 2 phones and like 1,000 keys. Y'all know what he do.
Hey fam, I kinda got corona and shit like that, and I'm trying.
Nah.
I got corona. You might have it. You do now.
Corona time.
Hey, hold on. What you said the cure for corona is?
I said Oh, long as you black, don't worry about it.
As long as you black.
He said as long as you what?
Black.
You know the little virus that going around? I got that bitch.
That's the trap.
You got 50?
Just boarded up.
Yeah, I need change. That's your dog over there?
Yeah, man, I'm a dog. You know, yeah, my fucking shit, man.
Now you gotta tell that boy get off that.
I don't know, dog. What, bro? Fuck, man, come on, bro. Coronavirus out here, man.
Nah, hold on. My bad. Nah, I got the sniffles and shit.
What? You see what? Kevin Durant on them, man.
He said,
No, I got allergies and shit.
What?
Hey, man. The fuck that? Bro, come on, man. What you doing? The fuck that was, bro? You just sneezed on me, man.
Nah, you got
Tripping, fam. Hey, it's coronavirus going.
It was at this moment
yeah.
he fucked up.
Oh.
Yo.
What you mean?
What you got going?
Yo, oh. Oh, nah.
Corona?
Corona disease, boy.
I ain't got no disease.
Damn, this man house is boarded up and stuff over there. God damn.
I ain't got no disease, but I got corona. Hey! You got a lighter?
Yeah.
Nah, that shirt is crazy. Look at it.
Wait, hold on. You got that corona shit?
Yeah.
What? You got that? Come on, Kevin, check it out.
Reverse psychology, yeah.
You got corona? You say what? You got corona? Cause I do.
Nah, I ain't got no.
Oh. He got it open, bro.
Nigga got corona in his ass.
My son getting to it. Oh, nah, she not playing. She know what time it is.
Hey, I got corona. Hold on.
Yo, bro.
What you said?
What you got going on?
Just doing pull-ups. It's me.
Yo, bro, he got a lot of balls.
Yo, you fuck around here when you coughing and sneezing and shit. What's wrong? What you got going on?
I got corona.
Bitch, you need to quarantine. What the fuck you got going on?
Quarantine?
Yeah. You need to be at the hospital or something. You got to get from around here.
He said a hospital.
Man, straight
Oh.
Hey, listen. I got.
Oh, with the slippers? He got him, too. With the slippers. Oh, no, not the dogs. Boy, if he let them joints loose, you done. Oh.
Hey, you straight up? You sneezing on me?
Oh. Nah, don't let them dogs get a hold of you, bro.
What's on it? Hold on, my G, hold on, nigga.
Oh, he.
Nigga, hold on. Nigga, I'm talking about the motherfucking drink, nigga.
Oh, okay, what's up? It's for me?
Nah, you bugging, bro. It's for me, bro. He just digged that out his pants.
Big buddy ass, boy. I ain't got no damn virus. Looking like Larry Fitzgerald and shit.
They definitely do, though. Shape up.
Nigga,
Oh.
I'm a soldier, nigga. Stop playing. It's just a little scratch. Come on, next clip. Let's slide.
Bro, that's a risk right there. Not the top. Ooh, wow.
Huh? Are you selling stuff?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I got hookers,
pickle, mango. Hey, bro, step back, please.
What you mean?
You got that Rona, bro. Step back.
Rona?
Yeah, bro. Hold on, bro. You gotta step back.
You gotta step back. You got that Rona, boy.
What you said?
Cub, can you step back, Cub? I'll say a fruit sip. Come on, Cub. Hey, shit. Bro, I'm close.
I can't buy that.
I'm close, bro. I'm close.
I just got corona. It ain't that serious.
Cub, I'm close, Cub. Can you step back, Cub?
I can't get.
Nah!
Give me.
You can take everything.
I can take
Take everything. Take everything. Hurry up.
But it hands. You.
Alright, so you got that shit. You got it. Bye.
This too?
No.
Yeah, might as well just touch the whole table. You can have it.
Take all this shit, man. Alright, so. Alright, y'all got rolling shit, man. Now I got to go in the house for 14 days.
I gotta go down to 14 days.
Bring the picture. Fuck it.
Nah, she hilarious.
Damn.
Big ass. Oh,
Oh, that's the kid.
hold on. You the same one for Blessico. What it do, mama? Boy, you never know who you might find in the hood. Boy, what it do, Blessico? What's your name, Shamar? You look like Shamar. What's your name is? What? Huh? About the Let's Go Birds. Supposed to be playing football. You got these tight ass pants on like
Yo, nah, what?
Boy, only in the hood, boy. Only in the hood, boy.
They called the cops on her?
Hey, Pale, what you doing, Pale? Pale, tripping, folk. Hey, fam, you got $1? Anything like that? Like a, you ain't got no change on you?
Yeah, why he holding the bottle like that up?
What you mean? What you mean?
What are you doing right now?
What is you doing? I just asked if you got $1.
Sneezing and shit.
I just got corona. That's all it is. What you mean?
You said what?
Stupid. Street. Camera right there, boy.
Yo, nah.
Baby, come fly in my A. Hustle out the country. Don't
Damn.
give a fuck where you stay. Shot it.
Nah, this was hilarious, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. He really risking his life for content. I respect it though. But that was funny as hell. I mean, it's everything I expected. Nobody got time for you to be sneezing on them and shit. So, alright, y'all. This is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Give me some suggestions in the comments. So we could keep it rolling. So, you know, just give me ideas on what I should react to. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all look out for the other ones. I'm out of here to the next one.